Welcome to our channel, ERP Experts. Today we are going to talk about AI in smart stations, how artificial intelligence is transforming transportation hubs. From railway stations to airports, transportation hubs are the backbone of modern cities. But have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence is reshaping these vital spaces? Welcome to the future of smart stations, where AI enhances efficiency, security, and the passenger experience. AI-powered passenger experience, long queues, delayed updates, and missed connections. These are some of the common challenges in traditional transport hubs. AI-driven smart stations are changing the game by offering real-time information through predictive analytics. Intelligent chatbots and voice assistants now guide passengers, providing directions, ticketing support, and multilingual assistance, enhancing accessibility for all. AI in security and surveillance safety is a top priority. AI-driven surveillance systems use facial recognition and anomaly detection to identify potential threats in real time. These smart systems can alert security personnel before an incident occurs, making transportation hubs safer than ever. Smart traffic and crowd management. AI-powered crowd analytics help manage foot traffic efficiently. By analyzing passenger movement patterns, AI optimizes entry points, escalator usage, and platform congestion, reducing bottlenecks and improving commuter flow. AI-driven predictive maintenance delays due to equipment failure? Not anymore. AI-driven predictive maintenance helps detect potential failures before they happen. Whether it's escalators, elevators, or railway tracks, AI ensures transportation systems remain operational with minimal downtime. The future of smart stations goes beyond just automation. With AI-integrated IoT devices, 5G connectivity, and seamless mobility solutions, transportation hubs are evolving into intelligent ecosystems designed for efficiency and sustainability. Artificial intelligence is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution in transportation. From enhancing security to improving commuter experiences, AI is shaping the smart stations of tomorrow. Are you ready to step into the future?